Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make Millionaires Shortbread. Let's begin. So just before we get into today's video, I wanted to say a massive thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Clicking the notification bell, then you'll be notified whenever I upload. So to start on the shortbread base, you will want to place your flour, your sugar and your butter into a food processor and pulse this until it comes together. This doesn't take very long, but be careful not to over mix it at this stage. Feel free to do it by hand if you prefer to or haven't got a food processor. Either method will work well. You'll know once it's done as you'll be able to clump it together and it'll hold its shape. So next you'll want to prepare your tin by lining it with some grease-proof paper or some parchment paper, whichever you have, and then put your mixture in and press it down so it's an even layer all around. Feel free to do this by hand, or you can even use the back of a cup measurement as this also helps to get it level, but I found using a mixture of the two worked well. So once you've got the shortbread mixture pressed into the tin, you will then want to bake it in your preheated oven. I will leave all the baking times, temperatures, ingredient measurements all on my blog. I will leave a link to that in the description down below. So for the middle layer, you'll want to make yourself a caramel, which is really easy and you only need one saucepan. So get yourself a medium-sized saucepan and place in all of the ingredients. They are the butter, the sugar, the golden syrup and the condensed milk. You will then want to put these over a low to medium heat and allow them to melt. Once they've melted and come together, they'll look a little bit like this, but once they are fully done, so you'll want to continuously stir this mixture, it will become a more golden colour and it will become thicker in consistency, like this. You will then want to pour the caramel over the baked shortbread base and level it off as best you can using a silicone spatula or a cranked palette knife. Then you'll want to set it in the fridge until firm. Once it's firm to the touch, you can remove it from the fridge, ready to finish it off. Place your chocolate into a small bowl and melt it either in a microwave or over a saucepan of simmering water, whichever works best for you, just until melted. And then you can pour this chocolate over the top of the caramel. You will then want to spread the chocolate out using a cranked palette knife if you've got one, and if you haven't, don't worry, use the back of a spoon or a silicone spatula, whichever works best for you. So once the chocolate has set, you can remove it from the tin and then cut it up. I know I didn't cut mine the best, but hey, it's still eating at the end of the day, isn't it? So cut yours into squares or whatever shape you want, and then enjoy. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another video. If you have any suggestions for future videos, let me say autumn and Christmas, leave them in the comments or message me on one of my social medias. Talking of social media, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will leave them links in the description down below. Instagram, I do give sneak peeks as to what's coming in the following week, so do follow me there and check out my stories for more. And that's it for this week. Bye guys.